Meaning of hopscotch.
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 Hopscotch. Hopscotch is a children's game that is played by drawing a pattern on the ground and hopping along its squares. The game is played with a small object, such as a stone or a beanbag, which is tossed into the squares, and the player must hop through the pattern to retrieve it. The origins of hopscotch are unclear, but it has been played for hundreds of years in various cultures around the world. It is considered a simple but enjoyable pastime that encourages physical activity and can be played alone or with friends.